Hello, and welcome to Tech, your go-to tech repair service store located in Aja, Lekki, Lagos. Today, we're showcasing one of our latest repair projects, a complete keyboard replacement on the HP EliteBook 1030 G2 laptop. This sleek and high-performance laptop came into our shop with a faulty keyboard, making it difficult for the user to work efficiently. At Tech, we pride ourselves on precision, professionalism, and exceptional customer service. As you'll see in this video, our repair process is thorough and meticulous. We start by carefully disassembling the laptop, ensuring every screw and component is safely handled. Next, we expertly replace the damaged keyboard with a brand new one, ensuring perfect alignment and functionality. After reassembly, we run a series of tests to guarantee the keyboard is working seamlessly, giving our client the confidence they need to get back to business. We specialize in repairing laptops, Apple devices, smartphones, and more. Whether it's a screen replacement, hardware upgrade, or even water damage recovery, Tech is here to deliver quality results every time. So if you're in Lagos and need reliable tech repair services, don't hesitate to visit us in Aja, Lekki. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting repair videos. At Tech, we're not just fixing devices, we're restoring possibilities.